Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we are excited to spotlight Laura Medina, a Spanish model, digital creator, and fashion influencer who has enchanted millions with her sophisticated style, vibrant personality, and motivating lifestyle content. Residing in Spain, Laura has cultivated a dedicated and engaged online community through her creativity, consistency, and love for fashion and travel. She embarked on her Instagram journey in August 2013 with her account, Laura Medina, which has now grown to over 1.3 million followers. Her account received official verification in July 2023, marking a significant achievement in her digital career. Through this platform, Laura shares a mix of stylish outfits, lifestyle moments, travel diaries, and captivating reels that showcase her refined aesthetic and confident demeanor. Her content is thoughtfully curated yet relatable, enabling her audience to connect with her both as a model and as an individual. In addition to her primary profile, Laura also runs a backup Instagram account that she launched in July 2019, which has gained over 420,000 followers. This secondary account allows her to engage more intimately with her community, share extra content, and maintain a strong bond with her fans. Across both accounts, she consistently displays her passion for fashion-forward styling, seasonal trends, and creative collaborations. Laura's influence goes beyond Instagram. On YouTube, she has attracted over 150,000 subscribers, where she shares lifestyle vlogs, travel adventures, fashion hauls, and behind-the-scenes looks into her daily life. Her YouTube channel provides a more in-depth view of her personality, offering followers a more personal and immersive experience. From exploring stunning destinations to providing styling advice, her videos encourage viewers to embrace fashion and travel with confidence. On TikTok, Laura has also made a significant impact, amassing 700,000 followers. Her short videos highlight trendy outfits, transitions, and engaging lifestyle clips that particularly resonate with younger audiences. Her innate ability to engage with the camera and her distinctive style make her content both enjoyable and inspirational. As a model and fashion influencer, Laura Medina embodies contemporary sophistication and digital entrepreneurship. She partners with various brands, showcases fashion lines, and adapts to social media trends while preserving her genuine voice. Her journey exemplifies commitment, creativity, and a profound understanding of the digital landscape. With millions of followers across different platforms and a consistently expanding fan base, Laura Medina emerges as one of Spain's prominent digital creators, an influencer who seamlessly integrates fashion, travel, and lifestyle into a visually stunning and motivating online presence. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video.